Good morning, students. Let's begin our fourth lesson from supplementary reader, that is the Pope and the Anthem. In this lesson, before we start it, I just want to ask you that have you ever caught in such a situation that you have thought something else and has happened something else? हम कुछ और सोचते हैं, वो कुछ और जाता है. Are you getting what I mean to convey? What we think becomes opposite to what happens. जो हमने प्लान किया होता है उसका जस्ट ऑपोजिट इवेंट हो जाती है. You might have caught in such situations. Are you getting my point? This story is having a number of such incidents. This story is all about a young man named Soapy. क्या नाम है इस मेन कैरेक्टर का हमारे? Soapy. And many unexpected or amusing events happen in his life. इसकी लाइफ में बड़ी सिचुएशन ऐसी आती है वो जब सोचता है उसका जस्ट ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. Such situations are called irony. What are they called? Irony. And this story is full of such ironical incidents that have happened with Soapy. So this Soapy is the main character of our story, and he faces such ironical situations because he did not expect that would happen with him. So let's begin the lesson, the Pope and the Anthem. Soapy is homeless and jobless man, as we can see. Homeless भी है, jobless भी है. Winter is fast approaching, and Soapy must have a place to stay. When he is a jobless person, he doesn't have any house to live in. Here he is planning to stay for winters, because winter is the season where no one can stay outdoors. Protection or protected area तो चाहिए. Then he comes to a decision, and what is it? Let's read it. Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds begin to fly south. People want new warm coats, and Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. And this happens with us also. Whenever the winter season, it is a time of winter season that is coming near, what do? Birds begin to fly south. Here at his place, birds begin to fly south. Then people want new warm coats or warm clothes, and we also go for buying the new warm clothes for the coming winter. Apart from it, Soapy moves restlessly in the bench of a park. वो अपनी सीट पर बैठा बैठा बहुत रेस्टलेस है, बहुत एंशियस है that what would happen. He is very restless. ठीक है? So if we see these signs in the street, these signs in Soapy's life, one can understand that this is the time of winter approaching. What are these? First of all, birds begin to fly south. Then people want new warm coats, and Sophie also sitting. Sophie is sitting restlessly in the seat of the park. Then he is restlessly on his seat. He is sitting restlessly on his seat in the park. And when we find these signs, it means winter is about to come. So keep in mind these points. If the question is generally framed that what are the signs? These are the signs that first of all, birds begin to fly south, people want new warm clothes, and Sophie is moving restlessly on his seat in the park. A dead leaf fell at Sophie's feet. What happened? Suddenly, a dead leaf from a tree fell at Sophie's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. Before winters in Europe, leaves fall from trees. So a dried leaf fell at Sophie's feet, and it was another sign that winter was about to come. It was time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare. It is a name of a place of a particular area, Madison Square. So it was the time for all who lived in Madison Square. सबके लिए एक जैसा समय था. Sophie's mind now realized that fact. The time had come. Now he realized that the time had come. अब उसको महसूस हो गया कि अब कुछ न कुछ तो सोचना पड़ेगा. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather. Now he decides that he had to find some or the other way to spend his winter days, the days of the cold weather season. Okay? And therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. इसलिए अब वो बेचैनी से मूव कर रहा है अपनी सीट पर, because he is thinking hard that what to do, how to spend his winter days, where he is going to spend his winter days, where he can find himself protected and safe. So these are the plannings of Sophie. Sophie's hopes for winter were not very high. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern skies or of the Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. 3 months safe from the cold north wind and safe from coats. This is what Sophie wanted most in the world. Just think, क्या चीज़ चाहिए थी सोफी को? First of all, he did not have very high expectations for the winter. भाई winter तो आ रही है पर बहुत ज़्यादा expectations नहीं थी. What were his expectations? He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. ना तो उसकी कोई उम्मीद थी कि चलो किसी शिप में बैठकर सी पर चले जाएं, because winters are less harsh in the oceans. Okay. Then he was not thinking of southern skies or the Bay of Naples, where it is warmer than his place. तो ना ही वो किसी northern sky कि दूसरी तरफ जाना चाहता था या कोई बे ऑफ नेपल्स जाना चाहता था जहाँ उसके प्लेस के कंपैरिजन में विंटर कम हार्श थी, ना वो वहाँ जाना चाहता था. What he wanted, 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. He wanted only 3 months imprisonship. कितनी? 3 महीने की imprisonship चाहता था. कहाँ? On Blackwell's Island. एक prison जो एक island पर बनी हुई थी जिसका नाम था Blackwell's Island. Take care that this is the name of this Blackwell's Island. It is the name of a prison. Okay. So he wanted a safe place from this. Apart from it, if he would be reaching there, it would be safe for him. 3 months safe from cold north wind. Winter से भी बच जाएगा वो. And safe from cops. Cops means policemen. Police. And he will be safe from police also. This is what Soapy wanted most in the world. This is the only thing that he wanted in the world. For years, Blackwell's Island had been his winter home. Richer New Yorkers made their plans to go to Florida or to shore off the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Soapy made a small plans for his going to the island. और सालों से लोग क्या करते थे? Richer New Yorkers means the people who were living in New York and were richer than him. They made their plans to go to Florida and the shores of the Mediterranean Sea each winter. क्योंकि वह जब मैंने अभी बताया तुम्हें कोस्टल एरियाज पर विंटर्स कम हार्श होती है. So people love to visit the coastal areas जहाँ पर विंटर कम होती है, सर्दी कम लगती है वहाँ पर. तो लोग छुट्टियों में या विंटर में फ्लोरिडा या मेडिटेरेनियन सी जाने की प्लानिंग बनाते हैं. लेकिन हमारे सोपी का तो सालों से ये ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड ही उसका विंटर हाउस था. ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट इज द नेम ऑफ हिज प्रिजन. ब्लैकवेल्स आइलैंड प्रिजन विच इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड. तो सोपी ने अपनी छोटी सी प्लानिंग बनाई कि वहाँ चला जाए. एंड नाउ द टाइम हैड कम. 3 big newspapers, some under his coat and some over his legs, and had not kept him warm during the night in the park. And he thought that the time has come that he should make some plan to reach to Blackwell Island, to the prison. क्योंकि जो न्यूज़पेपर थी, जो बड़े न्यूज़पेपर को अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए लगा था, these were not sufficient to protect himself from the cold winds. Are you getting my point? So 3 big newspapers, some under his coat, some over his legs, had not kept him warm during the cold nights, in the park. So we will continue with the rest part of the lesson from tomorrow.